welcome back to my channel. We're going to see Vybz Kartel, that's all. Like, that's so Jamaican, but yeah. I knew that my feet were meant to be licked on.
Peter want to offer we cause you and a crew nothing about them. Say them
We started to itch, to scratch, to itch.
Man, what did I miss?
Please follow my TikTok. Yeah, clock it.
I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl.
So I don't have an outfit. So prep with me for Sunfest. Can we go to Sunfest? I found a deal for a hotel on Gustavo's. And we're going to Sunfest. My man.
Bad, say that
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Anyways, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. It's July and we are going to Sunfest. Yes, we're going to. I'm sorry, I need to stop jerking my phone. I'm out of memory storage. I ordered a memory card online on Amazon. It's supposed to get here by this weekend, mid next week. Hopefully, keep our fingers crossed. So I'm using my phone right now, but we're going to Sunfest. We're going to Sunfest and we're going to make a trip of it on the West Coast. And so I'm trying to get myself together right now, and I don't know, I feel like I have an allergic reaction on my lips, but I am going to get a facial, massage, milk pedicure, get my nails done. I'm not going to put on any more nails. I put on some nails this month. I put on some nails earlier this month. It broke my nail. I'm not doing it again. I'm just going to get some gel. And yeah. Oh, I'm going to get my eyebrows waxed and tinted. So I found some deals on Gustavo's. I found a deal for a hotel on Gustavo's. I found a deal on Gustavo's for my eyebrows to wax and tint. I realized that the last time when I was getting ready for my trip, I found this lady on, not Gustavo's, on Fresher. She was having a deal. She's having a deal again for $5,000 for a massage, milk facial, milk pedicure. So I'm going to her. And then my normal place that I normally do my pedicure and manicure, they're having a 50% off. So I'm going to them to get my pedicure done and put on to get my manicure done and just put some gel polish on my toes to make use of the deal. So we are going out today to get ready. Prep with me for Sunfest. We're going to see Vybz Kartel, that's all. That's all. We're going for one night to see Vybz Kartel. So anyways, let's get to it. Okay, so we made it to the location. It's right here, Susanna's. And let's go.
Man, what did I miss?
And I'm drinking milk.
Good man.
I can't lie, this facial was a definitely a 10 out of 10. Exactly what I needed. I was telling her that I get a breakout, or I get breakouts whenever I drink milk, and that's true. It's like, I can't lie. If you see me with a breakout, you can tell that I've been drinking milk. But the facial was so good. Like, she cleansed my face, she scrubbed my face, she gave me a mask, a soak. It was really good. At one point we were laughing because she was saying that when she put on it and she was scrubbing it, it sounded like, you know, when you're washing clothes and it clean. Yeah, that's what it was given. But this was a good facial. The massage as well. Listen, if you take nothing else from this vlog, go and get their massage. Yeah.
I'm just a girl.
So they use the Lasco as the milk on your feet. That's interesting. Now let's talk about the pedicure. Listen, she went in there and she cleaned my cuticles and the scrub was good. And then, you know, of course, you got the milk, the Lasco milk pedicure soak, and that was phenomenal. I will not lie, it's 1 week later and my feet are still feeling extremely soft. Like, this was definitely a first for me. Great service. Listen, the scrub was good, the care was good, everything was a 10 out of 10. The only thing I will say, they did not have any white gel polish, so I didn't worry putting on any polish, just top coat and the moisturize. And baby, would definitely recommend, definitely going back. I don't know if you can see me, but my face feels amazing. My face feels amazing. I'm not sure if you can see me properly. My face feel really good. The massage, 10 out of 10. Facial, 10 out of 10. I got a pedicure, really, really good, 10 out of 10. I did not put on any gel polish this time because I'm going to polish my toes tomorrow. I feel amazing. Yes, 10 out of 10 would recommend. Oh, the name of the location is Suzanne's. Yeah, 10 out of 10. I don't know, I probably look too bright. 10 out of 10 would recommend. What I was trying to say earlier, let me see if you guys can see me. What I was trying to say earlier is that they use Lasco as the milk on the pedicure for the pedicure, and I thought that was like really carapace. Thought that was really, really interesting. Like, what? Like, that's so Jamaican, but yeah.
Me love it well, we brace it. No mean it, your love is so amazing.
I think I can pause. The satisfaction, wrestling, SMPs, and okay, before I drop in any no music or anything like that, let me just say waxing is a 0 to 10 would never recommend. And the tweezing was just the same, but we got through it and we'll never do it again. But let's play some Vybz Kartel.
Me love it well, we brace it. No mean it, your love is so amazing. The wine where you give me, build your rest.
Man, what did I miss?
Okay, so it has some sunlight. I told her to let it stay on a little longer because the aim is to allow them to be there long enough so we can wear them to Sunfest. But this is how they're looking. Hi guys, so I'm back home, showered, everything. Let's talk about it. So how was today? Pretty good, I won't lie. 10 out of 10 as I was talking earlier. 10 out of 10 for the massage, 10 out of 10 for the pedicure. Like, my feet feel so soft. Like, my feet feel great. Yeah, they put the Lasco on it and I think I could nurse somebody's son right now. Yeah, because because what, like, and I knew that my feet were meant to be licked on, but the Lasco made it so soft. It's so soft, it's so nice. It's like, it feels good. I came when I had to shower, you know, I was outside and all of that, so I took a shower. Pedicure 10 out of 10, massage 10 out of 10, facial 10 out of 10. My face feels so soft and nice. Right now I'm about to put on some moisturizer. I just came out of the shower and I was like, okay, let me quickly wrap up the video. So I'm about to put on some moisturizer on my face and just rest. Facial 10 out of 10. I did not put any gel polish on my toes after I did the pedicure because I want to go and get them polished somewhere else tomorrow. The eyebrows, I did a wax and tint. The wax pain level high because she waxed and she also tweezed. Would not do it again. But the thing about it, the thing that I did not like, you know, normally when I go to get your eyebrows waxed and everything, they normally clean them off first, right? They normally clean them up with whether alcohol, whatever, witch hazel, whatever it might be, but they clean them up because you're sweating and all of that before you get to the salon. She did not wipe that down. I have highly sensitive skin. By the time she was finished with one eyebrow, I started scratching. So yeah, I had to go to the bathroom. I washed my face, but I think I washed my face after she finished with the 2 eyebrows. Washed my face and all of that, but still I was a bit irritated. Yeah, it done gone. The dirt's already gone into my skin already. And that's why I always said, God will always make an example out of me, like in life, because look how quickly I had a reaction. Anyways, I came home and I had to wash my face. The thing was on and all. I know it's not going to survive until Sunfest night, but that's just life. I bought eyebrow pencils today, so let's see how that goes. So yeah, that was the only drawback for it today, but outside that, it was pretty good. I love that she was willing to listen to what I was saying, and you know, she didn't like take offense when I said that, you know, I need to go wash my face or, you know, line it up a little bit more. She was very willing to listen, so that was pretty good. Outside of that, today was a pretty good day, and I can't wait to see my Vybz Kartel on stage. I can't wait for Sunfest night. Cannot wait. That's all I'm gonna say. Do I have an extremely hot outfit? No. But will I enjoy myself? Yes. And that's all that matters. Hey guys. So it is one day before Reggae Sunfest, Jamaica Reggae Sunfest. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited. But let's talk about the prep, because all of this is based on the prep. This video is for prep with me for Jamaica Reggae Sunfest 2025. Now let's talk about it. So in the video you see that I went and I got facial done, massage done, pedicure done. Lovely, 10 out of 10. Now after that lovely spa day, the other part of the prep with me was my eyebrows. Now listen. I did not video because, and I talk about this on my TikTok, so please follow me on my TikTok. I'll drop it in right here, D the Traveler as well. Please follow my TikTok. Yeah, clock it. But I talk about it on my TikTok. The girl, like the way she did it, she did not cleanse my brows before she started the wax, and midway through the wax, immediately I started to have, like, my eyebrows started to itch, to scratch, to itch, and it got worse. I'm joking. It got worse as the time progressed. Like, I was scratching, I had to stop, go and wash my face. When I went, I don't know if you can see them right now, like multiple. I never have. It's like, you know, when I go to the barber, like when men go to the barber and they have some rashes at the back of their head after they're done. Yeah, she did not cleanse the area before she started the waxing, so I started to itch midway through. And then after she waxed and she tint, when I got home, it was so bad. Immediately I had to scrub my face, and of course right after, the rashes appear. So yeah, I have highly sensitive skin, but now I know, and knowing is half the battle. Anyways, wow, we're going to Sunfest. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see Vybz Kartel, right? So the prep was for that. Yes, my hair is not done, but I plan to put on a scarf. I did not have any more time to do any hair, nothing like that. I did a manicure. When I went, I did the pedicure at Suzanne's Body Care. Lovely experience, and I put that there. Did a milk pedicure. Right now, 5 days later, and my feet still feel extremely soft. And I'm not exaggerating. Extremely soft. I don't know. The milk pedicure, the Lasco did this big one. Lasco did her big one. Lasco Jamaica did her big one, because when Susan decided to use a Lasco in the pedicure and make it a milk pedicure, she knew what she was doing, and that's all I'm going to say. Anyway, so the milk pedicure, my feet still feel extremely soft. Now after that, I went on Sunday to get a manicure and a pedicure. The girl really did well with the cuticle care and all of that, but I wanted red nails. She gave me orange. It looks red right now, but it's orange. I said, okay, cool, it's fine. I wanted my toes polished because I did not polish my toes when I got the pedicure done. I wanted gel polish. They said there was some mix up that went on. They cannot give me the gel polish. Right now, my toes are bare. My toes are bare, and I'm just saying, I just want to get to the event. At this point in time, I just want to get to the event. It's fine. It's fine. So my toes are bare, but I have an appointment in Montego Bay tomorrow when I get down. So I'll just get my toes polished then, and we start getting ready for the event. I'm so excited. I'm going to see Vybz Kartel. I am going to see Vybz Kartel live. I am going to see Tommy Lee live. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I cannot stress that enough. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the prep with me. My TikTok and my Instagram gets a lot more live as it was going on. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share. If you're going to Sunfest, drop a comment. And if you see me, you can call to me. You can say, hey. If you're not going, you're going to watch it, you can check out my channel, because I'm going to try to put in some clips here and there tomorrow. I probably go live on my YouTube. And on my Instagram and on my TikTok. Probably. I'll try. So you can keep up with me. What else? I'm extremely excited. The next thing, outfit. Let's talk about outfit. I was so excited about having a nice outfit. Went on Fashion Nova, but I'm always overestimating my size or underestimating my size. Went on Fashion Nova, saw this cute jump. I was going through multiple, and I finally decided on a jumpsuit. And I didn't know why I didn't order like 2 outfits, but I ordered just one. Ordered the jumpsuit in extra large. They say there's not much stretch to it, so I'm saying, okay, now I should get extra large. Yeah, I'm not an extra large. Yeah, I'm not. I'm more like a large medium. I'm not. so the extra large came, it cannot fit me. Cannot. So I don't have an outfit. So what? I have to go in my closet. I have to take something from my closet. I don't know how, because most of my clothes are like chill. Most of my clothes are like relax, chill. They're not dancehall. They're not Sunfest. They're not dancehall nights. But I'm going to find something, because at the end of the day, I bought my tickets. I have a room. We're going to Sunfest. We are going to Sunfest. That's all I can say. So I'll find something. My face look very oily right now. I'm hot, but I'm going to Sunfest. Anyways, bye. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next video. It's going to be the after Sunfest video. So yeah. Anyway, bye.
Man, what did I miss?